Today on the Contessa's Quickies, we're going to expand horizons. The Contessa loves to travel, as some of you know, and she loves to gather pieces from wherever she travels. And here I have a lovely piece of medieval Korean pottery. This actually dates from the Goryeo dynasty. It's Celadon. Look at this gorgeous shape, the beautiful green of the Celadon with the red outlines depicting a lotus blossom. This is actually a replica of a piece that is in the National Museum in Seoul. It's treasure number something something. Put that there. We use it for wine, we use it for water. Our pieces are never impractical. So, medieval Korean pottery for the win. Interesting bit of trivia. It seems that these sorts of pitchers were actually modeled off of metal ones, and they were copied exactly with features that you only need in metal ones. So the reinforcing buttressing here, this little connector piece, that all is reflective of an original metal pot that was then recreated in pottery. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay creative.